Fight!
Hey team, welcome back. My name is Mike and this is the channel where you get updates on tech and lifestyle. So, I guess, under lifestyle din naman ang art. No? So, I try to cover more art, usually art toys. Pero I was able to purchase few in my first, I guess, proper artwork. It's a painting, pero sa tin can siya. This is under the Very Good Gallery at mayroon silang series na tinatawag na Delata series. So, I'll share more info about that in a bit. Pero, ito na siya. So, in the recent event ng MoCAF, nangyari sa BGC, I was able to buy and support from local artists ng kanilang mga artwork and, I guess, concept or ideas, pero ginawa nila sa Delata. So, very interesting concept. Third year na rin pala siya ginagawa ng Very Good Gallery na is run by Mimao, which is a really good, she's a really good artist. Pero ito na siya. Yan. Pinadala na nila kahapon finally. Pero, kahapon lang kasi nagkaroon ng time eh. After bagyo talaga eh. Ayan, ayan na siya. Woo! Pero ano nga ba? Ano nga ba ang Delata series? So, ito siya. Let me read it lang. Delata 3 by Very Good Gallery is more than just an art exhibition. It is a catalyst for discussion and reflection on the evolving role of art in society. By presenting artworks in tin cans, the show challenges viewers to reconsider their perception of art, questioning whether it is a necessity, an investment, or perhaps a blend of both. Galing. Through this exploration, the exhibition celebrates the lowbrow attitude and its vital contribution to the vibrancy and diversity of contemporary art scene. They have like a lot of artists here. Parang 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, may good 50 yata ito. Ang dami nila. Oh wait, 90 delatas for the MoCAF event. So I was able to get 4. Ito siya. So, open natin one by one. Really excited with this one. So, experience ko sa ganito, sa mga art exhibits, if you buy it on the spot, they will ship it sa'yo after ng a few days after exhibition, just for them to tally, but you have to pay on the spot. Tapos, i-deliver nila sa'yo after the exhibition or a couple more days para siguro to check inventory and to do their own accounting. Pero the first one is from Gabo Valenzuela. Ayan. Nakita mo yung logo niya is GB. Good vibes lang tayo. So, ang ganda ng konsepto niya. So, I guess this is a dog siguro. Dog pulling yung legs niya. Sariling legs niya. Kasi if inikot mo yung tin can, legs niya, sarili yung napupulling. Can't stop pulling my legs. Ayan pala yung Tapos, this is a regular tin can na naka-wrap siya ng canvas, tapos dun gumawa ng artwork yung mga up-and-coming artists and even the ones na kilala na rin. So, yan. Gabo Valenzuela. So, sa mga okay din na artists under the Very Good Gallery is si Chano. I am whole, I am abundant, I am strong, I am powerful, I am loving, I am harmonious, I am happy. MoCAF. Very good. Chano, happiness in a can, positive mental attitude. Galing. Oh, it's kind of like a vitamin siguro. Kaya siya pa yung parang nutritional labels or yung mga kasama niya. Very nice din. This is from Cell, Som R, pero Josel Ramos yung real name niya. Yan. Cell Coffee, 1 pound of regular grind. High quality. Ano pa ba? Coffee was introduced in the Philippines in 1740 by Spanish Franciscan friars who planted them in Lipa, Batangas. The region's coffee was the best. Taga Lipa kaya si Giselle. The best way to start your morning is to have a positive cup of coffee. Manila, one of the great cities. May laman pala siya. May coffee bean siya sa loob. Actually, may mga ibang cans na may laman daw siya. So, isa to sa meron si Giselle. Meron nga! May kape siya, gags. Gags. Ang bango. Batangas coffee siguro to kasi, I don't know, Batangas coffee. Lipa. Cool. Ayan, sila natin. Si Chano, wala. Ito, wala rin. Ayan. Now, ito is the last one that I purchased. This is from Quark. Daga. Quark, high protein, trademark 1990. Siguro ito yung year na pinanganak siya. Premium rat meat. Oh my God. Quark, high protein. Steroid free, 100% natural. Nutrition facts, serving size. Fresh, rat meat, salt, pepper, secret sauce, angst, rage, depression, insatiable need to prove oneself. Ooh. Packed by Quark Industries, Batangas City. Taga Batangas din yata si Quark. Tsaka yung, siguro ito yung ano niya, yung self-portrait. I think may laman to eh. Pero during the time na pinapurchase siya, hindi ko siya pwedeng i-open. So you just have to buy it first, wait for it to arrive sa'yo, tapos tsaka mo siya bubuksan. Pero tignan muna natin yung artwork niya. May mga dents, kasi yun ang mga ibang imperfections sa cans, no? Pero it doesn't mean na magde-depreciate yung price niya. The artwork is still there sa canvas niya. I'm really liking it. Medyo malinis yung pagkakagawa niya. Mga letters, yung lines niya, and even to, ang hirap yan. May coating din naman siguro siya at hindi siya mabilis kapitan. Sabay natin siya bubuksan, guys. Daga? Daga ba to? Daga ba to sa loob? Tangina. Oh my God. It's a rat! Ang daming daga. Ang cool lang niya. Ang cool lang niya, in fairness. Shit. Solid. Solid siya. Oh. Didire, pero naaliw eh. So, ayun lang. I'm really happy with my purchase. Hopefully, I get to secure more of their artwork and support more artists. Pero ito na yung ating haul for the MoCaf stuff. Really happy with this, and hopefully we get to get the bigger paintings naman moving forward and continue to support local and also expand yung horizon ko and appreciation for art. That's it. So I'm really happy. Kasama rin pala ang certificate of authenticity kasi gano'n siya ka-legit. Ooh! MoCaf Modern Art and Contemporary Festival. Cel Ramos, acrylic on canvas, wrap in tin can. On tin can. We also have this, Chano Happiness in a Can. Obags, artist. Obags pala yun. 5 inches by 4.5 inches ang measurement ng tin can. Acrylic on canvas, wrap on tin can. Tsaka Quark, Gym Rat Essentials. Acrylic on canvas, wrap on tin can. Tapos meron siyang, may pirma si Quark, may pirma si Obags, at may pirma si Chano, at may pirma si Cel. At saka meron din stamp press ni MoCaf dito. Authenticity. Yun lang. So, I'll try to share more artwork and art toys with you guys moving forward para lang just to show din syempre yung interest and appreciation natin sa mga arts, no? Hopefully I get to know more and learn more about the artists that I'm supporting. That is it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Bye.